Hello, everybody. My name is Iradat Abbas. I welcome everybody to my online mathematics learning platform. I really appreciate for your encouragement. I have received a lot of appreciation from my friends and my students, my colleagues. Thanks for that. This channel is for all the students from grade 6 to grade 11, for all GCSE students, and even for them who are not regular students but want to improve their general mathematics understanding. Let me tell you, the plan is to provide you basic knowledge, understanding of IGCSE and GCSE mathematics. And if you're looking for complete preparation or more assistance, then go to our website, www.mathsonline.info. Let's start, as I have already done, with the basic definition. We have done orders, dimensions, and addition and subtraction. Today, I think we should do some matrix multiplication. Suppose if there is a matrix A is 4 and minus 8, right? And another one is B, that is 2 minus 4, 3, 1 minus 3, and 0. And we are going to find out A cross B, right? So simply we'll check if they can be multiplied or not. So for the matrix to be multiplied, it's important that the the number of the column of this first matrix should be equal to the number of the rows of the first matrix. So the order of this one is 1 by 2, and the order of this one is 2 by 3. So if these two things are equal, then multiplication is possible, right? So yeah, they can be multiplied. Let's find out. The procedure for this multiplication is, let me show you. We'll multiply this, the whole, we'll take the first row and we'll multiply the first column first. So the 4 will be multiplying with 2, and then minus 8 will be multiplying by 1. Then we'll take the first row and we'll multiply the second column of the second matrix. We'll take the first row and we'll multiply the third column of the second matrix. So this is the procedure we'll follow, right? So it will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus minus 8 multiplying by 1. Job done. Now we'll be dealing with the first row and the second column of the second matrix. So it will be 4 minus 4 multiplying minus 8 by minus 3, right? Then we'll take again 4 multiply by 3, and then plus minus 8 multiplying by 0. All right, so simply the result will be 4 to the 8 minus 8, right, minus 16 plus 24 and 12 minus 0. Then the result will be simply 0 and 8 and 12. Right, so this is the result we have already got here. So this is the way multiplication is done. Let me do a couple of more for you. so that the concept should be clear. Suppose there is another matrix B is equals to 12, 4, and minus 2, and this is 2, minus 3, and 0. Another one is C, which is equal to 2 minus 1, 7, 4, 6, and 5, right? We are going to find out B cross C. So we'll check first if they can be multiplied or not. The condition for the multiplication is that the number of the column of the first one should be equal to the number of the rows of the second one. So it will be the order of the first one is 2 by 3. It means it has 2 rows and 3 columns, right? And it has 3 rows and 2 columns. So yeah, they are equal, right? It means multiplication is possible. And these two things, let me show you, is telling you the result of the product. I mean, when you have the result in the form of matrix, that matrix will be in this order, like it will be in the order 2 by 3. Okay, let's try. So we'll take this whole row first and we'll multiply the first column, right? Then we'll take the second row and we'll multiply the first column. This is the way. Then we'll take the first row and we'll multiply the second column, and we'll take the second row, we'll multiply the second column. So it's going to be 12 cross 2 plus 4 cross 7 minus 2 cross 6. See, I've done with the first row and with the row and the first column, right? Now we'll take the second row of the first matrix and we'll do the same thing. Minus 3 multiplied by 7, and then this is 0, so it will be 0 multiplied by 6, right? Okay. Now let's do, now we'll be dealing the same way. We'll take the first row of the first matrix and the second column of the second matrix. So it will be 12 minus 1 plus 4 into 4 minus 2 into 5. Right? We'll take 2 minus 1 minus 3 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 5. Right? Now, so it will be 24 plus 28 minus 12, right? And it will be 4 minus 21 plus, sorry, I forgot to write here, plus 0. Then it will be minus 12 plus 16 minus 10 minus 2 minus 12 plus 0. Now 24 plus 28 minus 12 is simply 40. So it will be 4 minus 21 is minus 17. And this one is 12 plus 16 minus 10 is minus 6. And this one is minus 2, and minus 12 is minus 14. See, the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. As I told you, these two things are telling you the result, the dimension of the resultant. Right? Let me explain. Let me explain again. So we take the first row and we take the first column. So 12 multiplied by 2 here, 4 multiplied by 7, minus 2 multiplied by 6, right? And we take the second row of the first matrix, and we're dealing with the first one, or first column of the uh, second matrix. We take the second row of the first and the first column of the second matrix here. See, it's 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 7, and this 0 multiplied by 6. Yeah. Similarly, now we'll take the first row dealing with the second column, the second matrix. So 12 minus 1, 4 multiplied by 4, minus 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3 multiplied by 4, and 0 multiplied by 5. Right? So this is the way it is done. And we have the result here. Right? Let me do one more question of multiplication for you. Suppose, let me write down a question here. It says, given that 0, 1, minus 2, and 0, and q minus 7, p 0 is equals to 1, 2, 0, minus 1, plus 0, minus 2, 6, and 3 are. Right? Find the value and the value of P, Q, and R. All right. So we'll find out the value of P, Q, and R. Simply we'll do the multiplication first. This one, the same in order. So it can be multiplied. Zero multiplied by Q plus 1 multiplied by minus 7, right? Made a mistake here. 0 multiplied by Q plus 1 multiplied by P, right? Then minus 2 multiplied by Q plus 0 multiplied by P. 0 multiplied by minus 7 plus 1 multiplied by 0, then minus 2 multiplied by minus 7 plus 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to, these two matrices will be added. So it will be 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 is 6, and minus 1 plus 3r. 0 plus p minus 2q plus 0, right? 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 here, minus plus 14 plus 0, right, is equal to 1, 0, 6 minus 1 plus 3r. Right now, so let me do more simplification. Let me simplify it. So it will be p 0 minus 2q and 14 is equals to 1, 0, 6 minus 1 plus 3r. Right? Now, when two matrices are equal, let me tell you, so we can compare their values. P will be equal to 1. P is equals to 1. Right? And minus 2q should be equal to 6. Then the value of the q will be simply 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 3, right? And 14 will be equal to minus 1 plus 3r. So it will be simply 3r is equals to 15. Then r is equals to 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5, right? So we got the value here. P is equals to 1, q is equals to minus 3, and r is equals to 5. Right, this is the way we have done multiplication here, some additions, and when two matrices are equal, right, so their corresponding elements will be also equal, remember. So we found the value of p, q, and r. Thanks for being with me. I'll come up with more lectures on inverse and some words problem. So thank you very much. If you're really looking for assistance, please go to our website and sign up. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the notification button once it is available. And you can follow us on our Facebook page as well, Maths Online Solution. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Bye-bye.